Do you ever wish you could zoom in on something without using two fingers? Well, Samsung just made that possible with a single swipe. In One UI 8.0, there's a cool new feature inside the assistant menu that lets you zoom with only one finger. Let's see how it works. Assuming that your assistant menu is already turned on, now open any photo from your gallery. Tap the assistant menu icon that floats on your screen. Choose Pin Zoom from the list. As you can see, a blue circle will appear in the middle of your screen, and you can move it anywhere to focus on the area you want to zoom in. To zoom in, swipe up or right anywhere on the screen. Or use the plus button at the bottom right. To zoom out, swipe down or left, or use the minus button. Tap the X to exit zoom mode. And that's it. You can now zoom easily with just one finger. This feature is super useful if you often browse photos, read small text, or just want faster one-hand control. It's another great update from One UI 8.0 on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.